Hello friends, today we bring you our very humble Egg Bhurji, which is a breakfast staple. It is very easy to make and can be prepared with available ingredients at home. Let's begin. We start with finely chopping green chilies and onions. Now in a pan, let's add oil and butter and let it heat. The butter will bring about a rich taste in the bhurji, that's a secret tip. Now let's add the chopped onions and let them cook for a while on medium flame. We then add finely chopped garlic and green chilies and let them cook for a while till they change color. You can adjust the quantity of green chilies as per your taste. Now let's add our dry spices. Here goes some turmeric powder, red chili powder and garam masala powder. Last but not the least, salt. Let all the spices cook for a while. Now it's time to add our chopped juicy tomatoes and allow them to cook. Drum roll please, because we are going to add the star ingredient of our dish, the eggs. After adding the eggs, quickly mix them, otherwise you will end up with an omelette instead of a bhurji. Add chopped coriander in the end for the freshness. And your irresistible bhurji is ready to devour. Start your day with this hearty bhurji that will just make your day. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ready, Steady, Eat.